Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6, consists of Fatia, Zio, and Salma, and we're here to explain Sharia pension funds. First, we'll look at the definition of pension fund. Based on Indonesia Constitution Law Number 11, pension fund is a financial institution that manages and runs a program that provides pension benefits where participants receive periodic payments after they retire from their job. Meanwhile, the Sharia Pension Fund is a Sharia financial institution that has characteristics to be used in order to maintain the continuity of one's income when entering retirement and of course manage according to the Sharia law. Next part, we'll talk about the difference between conventional and Islamic pension funds. First is based on the legal basis. Conventional pension funds is based on positive law, while the Islamic pension funds is based on positive and Sharia law. The next, the investment. There is no prohibition on riba, gharar, and maisir and other prohibited transactions in Islam in conventional pension funds, while in Islamic is based on Sharia with prohibition on riba, gharar, and maisir and other prohibited transactions in Islam. The relationship between parties involved is considered as business in conventional pension funds, meanwhile in Islamic pension funds is based on contract or akad. Zakat calculation on Islamic pension fund is calculated and imposed to suspended funds or dana mengendap, while in conventional pension funds there is no such thing as zakat. Also, the control of the conventional pension funds is based on the founder and the company. Meanwhile, the Islamic pension funds is based on the founder and the Sharia board. Annuity calculation of the conventional one is with interest component, meanwhile the Islamic ones is without interest components to avoid riba.
Pension funds in an Islamic perspective. First, the concept of pension is aligned with Islamic teaching. Second, the importance of saving money some portion of the revenue for the future, especially when in non-productive age is mentioned in the Quran Surah An-Nisa verse 9, Al-Baqarah verse 266, Al-Hasyr verse 18, and Ad-Duha verse 4. Third, the Prophet Muhammad SAW teaches us to manage our wealth efficiently. Hadith Tirmidzi. Fourth, the concept of pension is also aligned with Maqasid Sharia concept, especially to protect wealth and future generation. Fifth, the provision of this benefit has been conducted by the Islamic government, especially in the time of the Prophet Muhammad SAW and the people of Khulafa ur-Rasyidin. Tax used in Islamic pension fund: hibah bisyar, hibah muqayyadah, wakalah bil-ujrah, mudharabah, and ijar. Development of Sharia pension fund in the world. First, Malaysia. The allocation of EPF or Employees Provident Fund investment in Sharia sector was increased to 30% of the total NEPF. Also from 30 products, there is 6 Sharia products. Second, Pakistan. Pension benefits for the first 10 years tax-free. Also in 2030, total Islamic pension fund reached 61% of total pension fund. Third, England. Sharia pension fund program introduced in 2015 by Al Ryan Bank and Poynton York.
Indonesia. Type of pension funds. The first type of pension funds is pension funds managed by employer or dana pensiun pemberi kerja, DPPK. Pension funds established by a person or companies or institutions who employ workers. The employer serve as the founders and conduct a pension program for the benefit of some or all of its employees as participants, and which creates obligations to employers. The second type is pension funds managed by financial institution or dana pensiun lembaga keuangan, DPLK. Pension funds established by banks or life insurance companies to conduct defined contribution pension plans for individuals, both for employer and self-employed workers. There are several regulations that control the pension fund in Indonesia: General or Conventional Pension Fund Regulation, Government Regulation, Otoritas Jasa Keuangan Regulation, Sharia-based Regulation from Fatwa DSN MUI. First, Fatwa DSN MUI number 88 DSN MUI 9/2013 regarding the implementation of the Sharia Pension Fund program. How is Sharia Pension Fund implemented in Indonesia? Based on data in OJK, buku statistik dana pensiun tahun 2019, this graph shows us about the total amount of pension fund and members of pension fund in Indonesia on 2019. As we can see, there is a huge gap between conventional pension fund and Sharia pension fund. From 224 existing pension funds, only 3 of them are Sharia pension fund. And from the 4,387,673 pension fund participants, only 131,453 are Sharia pension fund participants. This is caused by, first one is it doesn't show current market, second is low literacy about Sharia pension fund, and last one is still lacks in marketing and socialization from the government.